The classic smoky eye tutorial is a timeless makeup technique that has been cherished by beauty enthusiasts for decades. This sultry and captivating look is characterized by its smoldering, dark, and seductive appearance, making it a go-to choice for special occasions, parties, and even everyday wear when you want to add a touch of drama to your appearance. In this tutorial, we will delve deep into the art of creating the classic smoky eye, providing you with comprehensive insights and step-by-step instructions to master this iconic makeup style. To begin, let's gather our essential tools and products. You will need an eyeshadow primer to ensure your eye makeup stays in place throughout the day or night. Additionally, a range of eyeshadows in various shades, primarily focusing on neutral tones like blacks, grays, and browns, will be essential. To enhance the intensity of the look, having matte and shimmer shades of these colors will give you versatility and dimension. Next, you'll require eyeshadow brushes, including a blending brush, a crease brush, and a flat shader brush. These brushes will help you achieve a seamless blend and precise application. Don't forget to keep makeup wipes or a concealer on hand for any necessary cleanup and a liquid eyeliner for defining your lash line. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process of creating the classic smoky eye. Begin by applying an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This step not only ensures that your eyeshadow stays put but also creates a smooth canvas for blending. Using your flat shader brush, apply a matte eyeshadow in a neutral shade, usually a soft brown or taupe, to your entire eyelid. This will act as a transition color. With your crease brush, apply a slightly darker shade, such as a medium brown or gray, to the crease of your eyelid. Use a windshield wiper motion to blend this shade into the transition color, creating depth and dimension. Now, it's time to intensify the look. Using a dark matte eyeshadow, like charcoal or black, apply it to the outer corner of your eyelid and the outer part of your crease. This is where you'll start building that iconic smokiness. Blend well to ensure there are no harsh lines. To add drama and a touch of shimmer, use a shimmer eyeshadow in a similar dark shade to the one you used in the previous step. Apply it to the center of your eyelid and blend it into the matte shades for a sultry sparkle. Use your blending brush to soften any edges and ensure a seamless transition between the shades. The key to a perfect smoky eye is impeccable blending. Now, line your upper lash line with a black liquid eyeliner. You can choose to create a subtle wing for added flair or keep it close to the lash line for a classic look. To complete the look, apply several coats of black mascara to your upper and lower lashes to make your eyes pop. Optionally, you can apply false eyelashes for a more dramatic effect, especially if you're preparing for a special event. Finish your makeup with a nude or bold lip color, depending on the occasion, and define your brows to frame your eyes beautifully. The classic smoky eye tutorial is a makeup technique that exudes confidence, allure, and sophistication. With practice and patience, you can master this timeless look, adapting it to suit your unique style and personality. Whether you're going for a subtle and everyday smoky eye or a bold and sultry statement, this tutorial serves as your comprehensive guide to achieving the perfect classic smoky eye every time you step out.